Good morning. What is this? Where? You want to go play in the playroom? Yeah. Hi, big boy. Oh. Per usual, grab the fan. Oh, wow, you turned it off. Did you leave me a surprise? Mm-hmm. You did. Thank you. That is so nice of you. I can't wait to change it. What does it do? That's pretty cool. Sounds like a helicopter. Thank you. Can I have the remote, please, Kylan? No? Can I have it, please? Oh, thank you. Did you figure out the, You did figure out the lights. Wow. Oh, yeah. We were playing with the fan. Okay. Yeah, you can start if you want. Take these old batteries back. This one actually had a little bit charge left on it, but we just replaced them both. Because when we got this truck, the stereo was all burnt up, and this is the reason why. Look at this thing. They sold us the truck like that. Wow. So we're gonna go return these so we don't environmentally waste anything. And the reason that got like that and it burnt through the wire was because of this guy. Seized up. Wouldn't even turn the pulleys off, but we're gonna give him that too, just in case they want a core. And we got brother-in-law visiting with his girlfriend. You wanna go to the parts store with me? Sweet, let's do it. Yeah, let's return these batteries, and I think today we're gonna work on the Escalade, get that active fuel management deleted. Good old Escalade is down here at our friend's house. And the new parts are in. New head gaskets. We got a new camshaft right here for active fuel management.
Whoa.
See?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna delete it.
Oh.
Isn't that cool?
Why does it know how?
Because he's gonna take off the whole front of the truck because Dad doesn't have time to do it, and he's really good at stuff. There's his new axle. Yeah.
What does it know how?
Oh, they're probably hanging out. He's got his two new axles.
That's when we in there?
Well, he'll come out later. Come on. So we're gonna get that going. Let's get back in the truck. All right, so that sound system, the alternator was seized up, the battery almost exploded. So I put a new 370 amp alternator in our two new batteries and playing Sonic. And I blew one of the fuses because I didn't know the alternator was seized. So I had to wait for new fuses to come, and they came when I was gone this last trip. So I just installed it last night, and we kind of checked it out. And we'll check it out right here. All right, so here is a full stereo now with the new amp in, or the new fuse. Louder. That is crazy how that thing is just way too much sound system, but hey, it's in there already, so we're gonna keep doing it. But this guy has asked me to beat the level, so I'm gonna try. Cash, you want me to beat the level?
No, this is number one.
It's number one, you want me to beat number two?
I want you to beat number two.
Okay.
Okay, so
Beat some Sonic. All right, leaving Bobby's barbecue again. Not a bad way to spend 80 bucks. But if you ever come down here, this is Main Street right behind me, and then Harrison Bridge exit off of 385. Go down the stoplight, go off the exit, take a right, and then take another right at the first stoplight. And oh my goodness. Now we just gotta get it all in the truck. Got one for the mechanic down the street too, our buddy Brandon. You always want to feed your mechanic. Gets the work done faster. We're going to the park. We have Knox visiting with brother-in-law. And we're gonna get some sunglasses, but I love their demeanor. They just hang out. Uh-oh, coming in. You guys going down? You gonna race the cars down?
Dada,
Yes.
are you coming down?
Yeah, well, I'm a little too big to fit in that hole, but maybe later. I'll meet you at the bottom. You beat me? There's no way you can get up here to me. Come on, dudes. I like your glasses. Got the Miata Mafia, live down the street. Oh yeah. And that hood up over there, that's the old Escalade, which Truckin' Wife seems to not be missing very much.
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's our awesome neighbor. Hey. Yeah, but we're gonna show you guys the cam going into it later. But in the meantime, let's get to the pool. Man, another day at the pool. Had the music going. What's up, dude? You looking for a little jump? What you doing, guys?
You're splashing.
Huh. Wow. Wowzers, guys. I think I'm gonna go with the red one. With the mushrooms. Cool time. Not a bad day, but I think the clouds are coming. Woo! Thanks. Well, what were you saying? How about? Really? That's amazing. All right, so we got rained out. A little bit of rain going down, but Brandon's here messing with his 1-ton axles off of what, 05 F-250? 05 F-250. And these are, he's gonna weld these on and they're gonna bolt directly onto his Jeep out there. Where's your Jeep? In the back. Sorry, Jeep's in the back. But look at these things. That's gonna be fun. So they cleaned them all up and they're about to weld them. But we got the pulley off the crank. Had to go get a thing for that. And they're torque to yield, so we got new bolts for them. We got the new cam. And once we get all this done, we're gonna go ahead and get it tuned and rock and roll. But we're wondering, hey, if we're gonna have enough room to get the cam off with the radiator right here. So probably not, probably have to pull the radiator too, but we're getting there. We put a little heat on the bolt for the crank pulley. And there you go. Gonna be fun once it's done. But we got some rain. We should be rock and rolling after that. Texas Speed is where the cam came from?
Texas Speed, yeah.
There you go. Nicely done. And then these are the little things we gotta. Is that for the AFM?
Oil towers.
Oh, the oil towers. That's what you gotta.
You plug the oil towers.
To stop the AFM from active fuel management. They even gave you a keychain. Oh man.
That's your keychain.
That's my keychain. It's gonna go in the Escalade so people know don't mess around with Truckin' Wife. She's rocking 500 horse. Yeah, right. All right, well thanks Brandon. We'll see you soon when you get this done, and we're gonna end this video for today. But we're getting there on the Escalade. But I don't think Truckin' Wife cares because she just romps that truck everywhere. So, whatever. Till next time.
Enter to win our GoPro Hero 8 giveaway this month.
All you have to do is click the link in the description of all of our videos this month and you can win. We do ask that you please subscribe. If you already are subscribed, please go to our Facebook page. It is just like the YouTube channel, Just Truckin', and like that and maybe share one of our videos if you could. We appreciate all of you guys so much for all of your support, and without you guys, we wouldn't be able to do these awesome giveaways. Thanks, guys. Bye.
All right, just a little home time video today. We will be going live at 9 p.m. And that's Knox. Hello, Knox. Brother-in-law's dog. Yeah, I didn't get much done on the Escalade, but tomorrow should be a better day. Shouldn't be raining as much. And we will see you at 9 if you're not doing nothing. If you are doing something, enjoy your family, enjoy your life, and God bless everybody. Stay safe out there.